welcome to Rosasbeautyfashion. Beauty Fashion. And as you see in the title, I have an unboxing to do. And I want to say, first of all, for my intro for newcomers and new subscribers, I always put my outfit that I'm wearing in my video for my intro because I like to show my fashion, because I always can't do fashion looks on all these outfits. So I started doing this maybe 2 months ago or so, so I just want to say that real quick. And I got a beautiful package from Shauna. She has Shaunz Boutique. And Shauna, I just want to say I'm sorry for getting this up so late. I've had this package for about 2 months. I have like 4 or 5 more unboxings to do from ladies, and I just want to thank each and every one of you so much for sending me packages, and I love you all so much, and I appreciate each and every one of you and everything that you do for me and support me. And like I said in my last video, I kind of said it wrong on Instagram about my birthday, because I have now I have like 200 and I don't know, 60 or 70 likes, and I had like 300 and some comments, I think. So I just want to thank you guys so much. I mean, I'm so blessed, to have the friends I have and everything. So I just want to say that real quick. But yeah, I'm getting these unboxings up very late because Halloween, and I had to get some videos done and everything. But I'm doing it now. She sent me this package. I'm so grateful. I mean, I did open it, but I always want to open my packages online so I can give you guys credit, and give you shout outs, So yeah, so I am late, and I always will support you guys too, but I'm always late on that too. I'm here and on Instagram. I'm always on the late show. Okay. All right, so let's get into this unboxing. And she sent this to me out of appreciation, because I do support her small business a lot, and but she said, well, now it might as well be part of my birthday gift because I'm opening it so late. So that's what we're doing. So let's get on to this unboxing, okay? It's not from Amazon, though. That's just the box. But she sent me some goodies. Oh my gosh, you guys are such amazing people. Some paper. Ooh. Okay, here is the box. Oh my gosh, right? Look at all these goodies. She sent so many goodies in here. I don't even know where to begin. But anyways, before I do this too, let me insert a picture of her. I know a lot of you have seen her before, but let me insert a picture of her right there. Yeah, she's a beauty. And also too, I want to say she has, she has a boutique, okay, where she sells clothing and accessories, which I've done a lot of trying on fashion with that. She also has a beauty site where she sells like lashes, skincare, and stuff like that. She has a YouTube channel, and she's on Instagram. I will link every single one of those down there. Please go check her out. Tell her that Rosas Beauty Fashion sent you. She is a wonderful person. I mean, these people, all of them are wonderful, I appreciate, like I said, each and every one of these, but she's so wonderful, she's so beautiful and so kind. So please, go check people out. When you give them shout outs, try to go over to their channels and, support each other. That's what it's all about, support, right? All right, so let's get going. Okay, so first of all, to this bag. Oh, I'm so excited to get goodies. My voice is a little hoarse today, so don't mind me. Oh my gosh. Look at how gorgeous. Look at that. Iridescent, right? It's like pink iridescent. Clutch. Gorgeous. Gorge. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at these brushes. How beautiful. I thought it was a clutch. You know what? I never actually opened it up. Look at those brushes. Totally, totally amazing. And I will put pictures, okay, of this stuff, so you guys will get to see everything close. These is gorgeous, Shauna. Thank you. Oh my gosh. They're beautiful. Oh, I love them so much. See, when I first opened it, I didn't actually open, so I thought it was just a clutch, but it's brushes. You can never go wrong with brushes. I tell you, I can never have enough makeup brushes. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. Okay, let me get my glasses on so I can see some of this stuff here. Okay, Puff Beauty and Makeup. It's like a beauty sponge right there. How pretty. Sorry for the little glare. So I can open this up. Oh, I love the color. Burgundy. Oh, that's so cute. Look. Yes, beauty blender. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. So sweet. Okay, and then she said, woohoo, my phone shut off like always. Woohoo. My storage is bad, guys, bad. All right, so let's get going. That's why I talk fast sometimes, try to get through this stuff. Okay, to Rosa from Shauna. She said, thank you, my darling. And it says, hi, darling. Just to say thank you to you for your support. Please accept this little goodie bag. Thank you for everything. You're a blessing, and I appreciate you. Love, Shauna. Thank you, doll. I love you and appreciate you too. I really do. All right, now I'm going to try to go through this kind of quick because I don't want it to shut off. Too much to do, so little time. This is so true. Let me take it out of the bag because I am overwhelmed with everything. This will be a planner for me because I need to start a planner, really, because I just have too much on my plate as far as my business and videos and everything. I'm very behind in videos, guys. I really am. Okay, so that's that. Thank you. I love it, love it, love it. Here is a beautiful scarf. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at these colors. And like I said, I will put pictures so you can see stuff. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay. And I got a eyelash curler in rose gold. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. That is so pretty. Look at that. Yeah. Thank you, honey. Oh my gosh, all the goodies. Okay. And this right here is a little bag. She's got a bunch of little goodies in there. It's a bag. Let me see. There's a note here. She said, "Hi, baby. In the little drawstring bag are some lippy samples." Ooh, I love lippies. You know I'm a lippy girl. Thought I'd share some with you. Hey, they're all what did she say? I don't know, something material, something ingredients. Mineral ingredients. Let me know what you think. Hope you're well. Love, Shauna. Okay, I will let you know what I think. I love lippies. I'm scared my phone's going to shut off, so I'm not going to like show each one, but I will take a picture because she has me in this little bag. And they're all like in here like this. They're all like this. And these are so cute. They're all nice fall colors too, look. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I will open one up to show you the beautiful colors. Look at that, beautiful fall colors. And I'm a lippy girl. I have so many lippies. But yeah, she sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. 7 different colors. Thank you, baby. Okay, and there's one more thing here. Let me put that down. Sorry for the bending. Okay, here is Shaunz Beauty. I told you she had a beauty site, and that's her bag, and it matches me, gold and black. So cute. Okay, so first of all, I pull out Shaunz Beauty Lash Adhesive. Isn't that cute? Look at that. That's darling. We could never use enough eyelash glue, right? Okay, and then she put in here Revolution 3D palette. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, wow, these colors are nice. They're very pretty. Beautiful. Screaming fall, ladies. I'm trying to go through this quick. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. OMG. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at this. I'm not going to totally open it. It says Shaunz Boutique. It's a little mirror. Look at that. Isn't that darling? Like I said, I will put all her links down below. Please go check her out. Please, please, please. Let me take out the rest. What's in here? She has, ooh, I got some lashes. Makeup Forever lashes. Love me some lashes, but I don't wear them all the time. You guys know that. Oh, these are from her site. Oh, look how pretty that is with the bling, the silver bling. I don't know if you can really see it. I'll put some on the side, but oh my gosh. I will be wearing these in a Fashion Friday, dear, or a Sexy Saturday. Okay, one more thing. Okay, it came in here. I had to have my daughter take it out of there because I had trouble taking it out of here. And it says Shaunz Beauty. This is an applicator for the eyelashes. We all know how that works, right? And it's gold too. Boy, I love it. Everything matched me, right? Gold and black. So it's more of my favorite colors. Okay, so I'm going to zip it up because this, I don't want to shut off. You know what I mean? Thank you, sweetheart, so much. I'm sorry, like I said, it took so long for me to do this video. I love you so much. And the rest of the ladies that send me packages, I will be doing videos. You know, try to get them done. I'm trying to get these all pumped out. So, all right. So remember, stay happy, healthy, positive, and always, always, always keep your faith. I keep my faith. God has been so good to me. Look how good God is to me, right? But he's good to me every day for waking me up, for just everything, everything. You always got to thank God for the good, for things, you know, sometimes you have to go through hard times, but God is always good. All right. So I will see you. My phone rang again. You believe it? I will see you all in my next video. Try that one more time. All right. I'll see you all later. This is a trip, my phone. Bye-bye.